on your mo etimi abo edwuma na ma dadin pa eri amom already no abom de an medical no waye no na ma crodium na bi mo friend medical man and the odika ko ye bi ma dream safe na obuli ni team ne kasa aro ne ato folks kokko ye bi the medical man no chena no okona officially no contract no wakwa sign na bibia ko ye pa etimi ra amom no ye ka etimi Eric Charles second batch no 25 players omo remo prampram omo kona omo akwa ko bo edwuma no na aboa na bibia ko ye pa etimi ra me na mun komo no na Iram ne Andrews Owusu Accra Lions some goalkeeper no dey bizanze ne okra wo mi mu players do na na anya akwenya kwa ko bo edwuma Black Galaxies na ho aso ya omo koso ma ho den ahwe na eno no na ye onwa na enkomo sei na obo mo de etimi rija
more than 10 Quran like Kenya even more than 10 Quran can mean yes because this is obi share yeah imagine the performance boys in footy now be also say almost the whole team Quran can take me surprise because but Ghana na won in me but the Nkwana ya represent a country no so na league no so boy no be how other teams no players na modern born they say can because come teams in the players but in possible. I think these players no bad. The Empire member is at least these players need beating a final squad.
Eltia no ye command Andrew Owusu ebo mo de etimi rija ni na mo na po na bibia dadi impre etimi era mo uncle George Amoakon on Chrisutin then we did home common adia na ozi opin pa na be na Manchester abono sports for your bro so far so good me say o shara huni na nkomo say no bo mo de retudwa
3 matches isn't be impressive. That's all I will say. To me, it's not impressive. My fair games, Madagascar, we call Angola Mikobi, Mikobi, and all the games we played under him, I'm not impressed. And let's pray, so at least we'll qualify for the next AFCON in Cote d'Ivoire. And then we see how we proceed from there. Because World Cup, we should qualify. We will have to qualify and go to America. We want to go to America. What do I say? And we will see how things progresses from there. That's
Eltia no ye command e wa pomodie di area fa coach Jere Manchester wa bon wa ha I mean say enshim crimes na eno ne run ne kuku dazi Edin Community coach, Lord, what would you man? You can't say good coach, and because a good coach, you know, on a wine, on a swing, you say, no, but what did you remind?
Or a good coach must be principled. A good coach must be firm with his decisions, irrespective of the circumstances. Because at the end of the day, one can be on the player, bro, they will blame you, the coach. So, Mamu coach, you know, be a master chance or make a good team or in the argument that they decided that the team in a local. You can blame me, but I will not take offend that as a missile that on to fit into my team. Never I thought more force. Number the country they will change me. So, you leave everything to technical team. One year won't be there. So, 1 year, then you can blame the
Etiano ye command you know na jeze kukudazi apomodi etimi afawanina eboama ne makoye pa di good coach na ni wetimi echichimani na eboama hye no adadina ne high school ne Saribidi akwesi cheson komo ina ni ya bomo de didi kakra ni ram ne opin pa ye friend Robert Owusu edidi din koma na ebisa Robert Owusu Tilton ono na do ani echema all student association wa Saribidi akoyo mo president na ye nyame ntie ze mo protest ye obi protest mu yeti anafa amani no ya disqualify sku yeti ye ze mo nsan konkonko bo match no na ye hwim na ba konko na nim na ya tetete nkomo na bi na nkomo na nkasa no se ni sitie opin pa no etimu kakra de chemu si no bo Jai.
I mean, Peliphobia to suffer headmaster and then sports team so Mombra. The teaching system to Muko and Nikushia high school or more headmaster and armed forces senior high school almost so headmaster. The teaching system said, GS in Embramuno, GS in Imbrabia, so secretary, I want to be mobile. and the DS Mano is Pasidi Federation Emra. The Federation Mano, I said, any Ghana constitution, see it in the dinner, Emma Mabo. And the almost say, high school for somebody court. Now, you're Mabo, and only high school for Cassandra, almost say, any high school for Cobo Remas. And to the way we know, no, back home. Somebody. Football and brand new dear. So you about football, a boy because I'm not government born. I bet me abono. Yes, I'm not any years and when you got a constitution. You did high school for 1 year. I played the premper for. You did the Salvadiaco. You did this Kofiasa for Kofiasa. You did this schools with Beleno. High school for 1 year. Some man you got a constitution with any. The man the football and brand new dear boy.
Tia no ye chumani pipa ye friend Roberto Usi Tilton e bomode etimi erija wache chimu kama aboama ne mandadi mpa manya ntie ze nyambo ochna krobia Kumasi Asante Korokwensisi leaders no ya tonsa from so munra momenhia 12 pm prepare na nkomo ba community ewram na mwa na ne mandeda din so no emfa mo na nkomo bi eso ye on refi seri omoko ekoku ramu ewo wafu no era ne refi pay palace court aropina one maestro ona sempe didi nkomo na asem no chichi muze ebi mu akodi kokonsa efi Ghana ha ne nsense bebri na se no pimpa no ebomode chichi nsenim
issue no yenya yenim say the current president of the FA, Mr. Ketu Kreku, is also the president of WAFU. That tournament now, a non-qualifying tournament. Okay. WAFU, the request by say, preferably let's bring non-FIFA referees for development. That was the whole thing. The criteria was very, very clear. And of course, just like I said from the beginning, if your president is also the president of WAFU, you cannot just do anything. Okay. You cannot just do that. And you know, and I made a lot of checks. I mean, the guys in WAFU, they are all my colleagues. So I asked them, why is it that these guys are not doing a match? We say, we got a call from Ghana. Some media house or media people call us that the referees you brought are not good.
Ghana and Johnny.
Yes. Efre Wafu. Secretariat they are not good. 1, 2, they are not FIFA referees. And I was like, hey, what is this? Why are we destroying our own? Why? What do we want? We are destroying ourselves. At the end of the day, they were supposed to. Okay, first they told me somebody called from Ghana. I asked them, who called you from Ghana? Okay. Also, the person said he's a media person. He works with the media. That asks from which media, because in Ghana we have a lot of them. Yeah. Also, you know, some of these things, you know, I don't have to tell you, and that's absolutely fine. But then, did you ask the name? He said yes, we took the name and everything. At the right time, maybe when we meet, we can talk about it.
Tiano, ya command ni refi paying pa. Let's go to Abomode Timera to Yami. Mama Charles ever few anzana maba na maba be Ramo Bishop. Komo ahodo na koso wati tibia o asumni ade ade. Minim baby ade fa.
Well, House of Folk developments a few hoba. Season about the way and has a committee. The committee, you know, commission an inquest into Nyoma Kokosu in the course of the season. A BIFA playing body, technical team, and then general team. Nyoma be this discipline. Some of the things are Amfa and Monyam Shayambre Club. Now, as part of the inquest, no more findings, even no more a day to another.
Sompa Sports,
the future, which starts with next season, has editing come on. They are meeting players, they are meeting officials, they are meeting way. Now, out of players' engagement in a way, you know, there are some players on my margin, so one of them here, Glass in our co.
Oh, okay.
I didn't say our co-project in house for Nigidi said it has not been fruitful. They are no more shame names and kebet me abemno. Was almost signing our co just after say Omar qualified for Africa after winning the league. Until they expected say he will be that marquee buyer and as a marquee signing a Obepeja a year's squad, you know, from that level then to the next level, which is upwards. But unfortunately in Africa it was catastrophic. our Kona Nkasa Obeba Bobby or didn't Hubeshim no. There were controversies around even the legitimacy of Nidio no. Obetimi Aba no ntimi mbo. And then even some behind the scenes complaints. Man for Bebe na better guess also be in the draw. Nti ntimi train, ntimi mbo in farmer house ni ade. Along the line almost settles our issues, you know. By the time our co was ready to return, our season no basically looked like in disarray. Na Ajiegu Ankasa. Then in the second season, so an injury blighted campaign. Yes, our co to me started 10-15 matches my house of folk last season. Sure. So clearly, almost share the financial commitment from the club and the delivery of the player. It has been a transfer. It is not the player say wasan and as onimbo nebo, but botayenti
Sompa Sports
enya gidi a pushy for the Awako project. No, they did not realize it and they think the time is nigh. Say omuchuchwem. So our coast contract has been terminated or free.
Wow.
Yep. But it is a sad story in the sense that Abrawako Air joining us, no. It was basically something big. Now a capture the attention, the grab the interest of almost every football loving person in Ghana. But the arrival no was ceremonious. The departure no unceremonious. Occur with people even feeling any kind of way we say, oh, could we regret in the future? And I see a brand new year, won't see a journey more. Me sure say there's a whole year opinion sampling. Now we be a woman to my catcher has a cheetah for so a month free. And to abase awako ontina and our own kwa.
Sompa Sports.
Do na ebe to abase on kono. Omobe bro a year omo mekas ontina. So the fans, I don't think will grieve. And I say omobe treja ajo omobe complaining because he's leaving. No, it won't happen. The playing body, they might lose a colleague, they might lose perhaps maybe or momo. But as to the contribution on the pitch, Haas will not miss out when Awako is not there. And then the club, I don't think Awako's brand now, the image, you know, a bit me sell a club, no, as compared to when they were bringing him on board. And he clearly, I think, a CUT party involved. Yeah. And then this player, Dennis Kwasa.
Yes.
Also, I think some Komogu so concerning so betina and now ontina.
Sompa Sports.
Personally, I think they've moved on from Dennis Kwasa.
Sir.
Yeah, or my brain.
What the BBSC
has in your coach. But one of the key areas are more strengthened or more team in him is defense.
Yes.
Dennis Kwasa Hono. They've brought a player. Our more nyajide on the moon player ne we Atali Ventures.
Yeah.
Good. Enti Omakofa Obi Denaba. They are making him look like Ono Nebeye, the next left back Ombeyesu for the new campaign. What does he say, of course? Say after the Black Stars collapse, no, Dennis Kosa has not become or has not looked like the Dennis Kosa ni him no. The performance Neswati. He has not been consistent performance-wise above him. So clearly, I think he's a player that has to focus.
Sompa Sports.
Ebi akwenya ne ba omobeton. So mo intimi anton so in the worst case scenario, I think they will just end it. Aso. Because per inquest now has for 1 year need the do money no. They might not be so convinced about Kosa. If they think Kosa was still the one they should trust and rely on to push her, Kosa by wabo how many? Kosa me as when you 3 seasons.
Either 2.5 or 1.
Yeah.
You're almost tono.
Yeah.
As in a winning why you win.
So Kosa eba has for folk no. Onya 3 seasons, but if they are looking at moving on, then it means performance and perhaps attitude has not been satisfactory. So I will see a job quine. Now also baby I will do any better no or do any chair now coco do juma. no hu dia obeye ho pe men comedy dia medi wo has omonju medi omonju retaining players, releasing players, you know, centered on certain pillars and our principles. Baako ye nukredie, baako so ye loyalty, na baako ye commitment. Saa nneɛma mmiɛnsa wei. So we a player ne kura na ball no untumi emmɔ ne papa. They look out for these three things. Say ebe dedi. Then ebe play a crucial role in retaining you. Ebi our performance no ebe kyerɛ the period omodi retain you no say for the long term and a medium term. But so our performance ne kura nye kura na saa nneɛma mmiɛnsa ne dedi a, to ensure say the dressing room speaks one language and then pushes for one thing. They will want these three things to be very present. Nukredie, loyalty, and then commitment.
Sompa Sports.
Based on these three things, and our players need be wa or retaining omo. Nanga don't know him say maybe someone like Obin Jr. and Kombejana Kwai. From many sources, no, I'm reliably informed he is staying. Obin Jr. will not leave.
Oh, okay.
Omama no 1 year extension, and even Omama no an improved contract. They can't improved contract. I mean, terms are ne woman in your man was a banner ho. Omem pejemu di amana.
Now, but me go Junior wa commenting on one house pa. Waba sa chepa.
What is say wa ye interview be akakasa film.
David.
And what is say what dasu ban be dia ne ho asema ba.
David.
Exactly. So they looked out for one, loyalty to the club, commitment to the club, and then no credit.
But you know the club is all bad, so no more no chance and be cool.
Yeah. Exactly.
Team captain team no club at the
and per more inquest no more yen was or more fair players maybe by more be didn't come on. And they asked them a certain and answer a set of questions and yes would you be home concern but about the season. And they loved how blunt and truthful this boy was. And most of them some no kind of one casa no pay findings, you know. And most of them were true.
Wow.
So ama in Penifoninia GDA when he said then they will want to continue with him from what I have been briefed. So Obin Jr. will continue a 1 year extension with Hasselfolk. Then the salaries will 100% increment.
Wow.
Yep. And the club also attached the human face to it. Say, emotional and no koware. So it will be absolutely inhuman. Say, has a player. Sorry, has a Saki player and no worry. So the player goes clubless and then without salary, without anything. So the aware part, play the part in the decision making. Say. And the young pitcher is called Jim Crown Famano to make sure as a player no one to join or bet me see na kind not if you so ajobrel.
Wow.
So these are part of the decisions our club near all in a bid to make sure say last season will be put behind them and then the next season will be better. Where Boyano will out to you Isakoka. They have extended his deal, giving him a better offer, and he's going to play for us
next season.
Yeah.
Extending
the contract.
Yeah,
5 years, so 2028. Then an improved deal. Jemfan is a first, no, 1,500. Now he's earning around 3,500 or 3,700 after deductions.
Wow.
Yes. So they've added him to their plans for the upcoming campaign. Eniju Media or Moody. The technical team, Omeje Bikwai, be my announcement, be Omunye. And part of Omu inquest on Moyeno. Omu is a technical team, no do not be doing through the trauma, especially concerning a Nasi incident. Okay, I know this uncommon. Say Omukoyi to players, and so teach you ataso say. Sorry. Say ayo nwa ne yoye ana ema o de sa ne o man koye ne mo begina field ne so per the inquest any account man for be render wo ho no the boy acted on instructions and guidelines given by the technical team or my sanction. Into one funny pet and other
Sompa Sports.
So they felt saying to me trust them. Now one some players no, if you would throw them under the bus, then it means that we can't entrust team no in your care, because eventually said nyoma way to us okoswa it could lead to a player revolt. Players need to meet and it will impact performances and the results on the field of play. Nti oro clue omadana say tina omode statement ne ba say omoja ne kwan the team manager omoja ne kwan onoso ko he will not be part of a club again. Then per menkomodidi amedi no Haas will get Jerry AJ as a more goalkeeper's trainer because he has experience and all that. Coach in common na akoye BBA wo na omo target local coaches. But from the lot, na your coach back up no so be ehwem.
Na coach wa na omo fe no.
Maso Kunedu.
Maso.
Yeah. Na omo so omo share one ne pedigree, ne experience our from Wow Star straight to Mpempenso our Babadria. Then almost also consider whether Sante Koroko he was able to win with them. But that aside, almost also consider as a challenge of fame or Legon cities ne kwan your fast so transform a club ne fortunes from relegation threatened. Was a mass of Legon cities ni no. Or my club they flirted with relegation. Even by the time no more survive year kakrano, they were flirting with relegation. Then season on also before a fan fourth a year, they flirted with relegation. Sikasemni way no, he was able to manage the situation very well. And Nyoma call out and be public to say the nanka dudwana who said kebeti miyakosa. The situation at Legon Cities was worse than the idea ni. But if as a coach, na otumi a supervisor Nyoma Nyoma less severe to the public than it seemed now, then they feel he will properly manage his dressing room no and make sure say they will calm things down. But I think say in Komochuchi anyway no maybe Maswell saw a better offer from Nswatraman and then has the other so into me and progress. They said you're Mochusheno and then eventually Wako joining Nswatraman. But I am told say they will appoint a coach. He's a foreigner, onye Ghanaian.
Among the Bruni Bimaba.
Enye Bruni.
Enye Bruni by a foreigner.
By a foreigner of Free Africa.
Oh, okay.
But he's not necessarily based in Africa.
No,
spending most time in the UK.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Sompa
so they are
Sports.
working around the clock. Or a West African from an English-speaking West African country, and at the right time they will come out with the details in the new.
What else in the crab mommy we know? Sena me din come say asibi.
Yeah.
Asibi medical.
Yeah.
We're joining how to folk.
Exactly.
But me checks in the jersey BBR did not come to your channel be kwaku sign
official. Town or more expecting is say it does send number no baby.
Or we do Accra name kuma say to be do Accra name.
Okwa Omumbema ni baby adaye yochina no man no office no akọ sign baby
but Oma confirm me Kelvin or say ACB
and your way initially they nearly pulled out of the
criminal go move him
because of one or two things
and one or two men
I'm feeling some common no a bam from exactly Casanet also so they need the movie in a stealth like manner I say Oma Kataso so they are dealing behind the scenes. By the next you realize no news in the Dabonte. Na news in the Dabonte we answer no ma confirm here. It is no news to them. They casa and there will be orientation. So eventually the deal will be confirmed. So that is mass for home commoner and Americano. But I'm sad for this boy, Adosoa.
Roberta Adosoa.
Also, another choice is a Ombobo.
Another choice mass for Zombo.
Another choice is Ombobio. And for personal reasons. And born a crown, we need those Obebo.
Oh.
Yeah. pe onone way or the coin no na say I say every time be a OP kibiano
Sompa Sports
aba atwaso I consistent and he feels maybe fate has not been fair until the best for him there to stay back reassess the options no who the umbe so has and so I track command say they are cool with the decision that we're taking but they are not done with him yet into on trombre or mubion what he would love to do and then moi or mobeti me abuano during this period so I'm more trying side and say be free no and this waba but that is a situation into a major and not because onyade it was on the boys request
and I check all the said MMC corner
the condo so
Susan person I'm not
on the condo he is not motivated or sorry na onyabon who any jebon who do be as a uncle air training crown on my bono so he feels the time is right sir or jim
ate ma bishop mbram
Sompa Sports
esi ana afofro
or everyone till later
bebre ochna na me we share na edidi sa nkomo dan za do fo komo ne ma no mo ye no bi nkomo out ya unze so mo nya bre
they are active that's the most active club
there was one senior player now or no actors maybe was a friend Conan the Destroyer not the players call Ashao for anyway
what to focus on all the players call Ashao for joint almost already call mo kwakose mu club ina o senior player
and say why
that na bishop sade o hati nem ze
nepo
and almost every no mudeji oh njo that one no aboni dey
senior player
David
I mean he's far gone
onu na titim ko no go di eji asha o
when day and we be too for actually now about with the meeting you know talk about
as I word how Bishop
Ochina ba Mr. Monsambo
na na go free ayi
Monsambo mami say
ala go free follow na go
Mr. Mombo mami oh Mombo ale score in the voice the mami eh bia majaba me mo say eh majaba me mo so
grabo voice the ba la
Efre wafu secretary etono referees na you don't buy no they are not good 1 2 they are not FIFA referees. And I was like, hey, what is this? Why are we destroying our own? Why? And what do we want? We are destroying ourselves. At the end of the day, they were supposed to say, okay, first they told me somebody called from Ghana. I asked them, who called you from Ghana? Okay. Also, the person said he's a media person. He works with the media. That asks from which media, because in Ghana we have a lot of them. Yeah. Or say, oh, you know, some of these things, you know, I don't have to tell you, and that's absolutely fine. But then, did you ask the name? He said, yes, we took the name and everything. At the right time, maybe when we meet, we can talk about it.
Okay. He's a bloody liar.
How?
Alex Scott in a trono channel.
Bishop Trono.
Oh, you drop and you can trust her.
Bishop Anon
look, Tinipano to that has a meata. Send a GFA bomb me out way. And no more call wafu ni ekajo mo sa tapoku say referees ni nye FIFA no masa ba na nkatofi ko nam landing Dubai a mutuja
we cry be say wa check akra
no but you see let's be consistent the look Ochina if you give me the opportunity messages I was sending threatening referees identity and I me in person me nya documents at the bench I'll show some so okay of course look I mean so we be I am open to him as empower na maestro for referees manager member me jama me ho sa asem we
o je
me je ama me toedi
ze no laugh kofre
good ombo nchire na me se say me ata na me dey sa de we ko wa an ka ba na me die du da sa tro we didn't am free we tro no enie so me say referees na dem ko e ba ko e ba no this season
right yeah
I took as omo mu nim say referee na de ba e ba no
omo ni
okodi league match Kotokone has eguni weni mase. Wafu do they need to go too deep to find out how bane selum ya bless. Kwaku ensemna e koso no. Munti ni pa. You need to enter the system right to be able to submit match report. Referee no mudi in Ghana. It's saying sophisticated.
Anya ejuma ketwa.
So when you're referee, transfer matching system. Competition. More as a competition management system.
Oh, okay.
Let's be truthful. Young can't check Ghana for. Let's be truthful. Referees manager, be truthful to everybody. Your referees no more no more FIFA. On says any panel no. FIFA list be amodi aba some exams. Amodi also.
Yeah, amodi so.
Amodi also. Michael, listen, no. Amodi also.
Amodi also. Yeah, amodi also. Kramo pelest no krama me. Amodi also.
Masa, look, sa crocodile joy.
Bijo. Watch my hands.
Masa, me munja crocodile joy sem no. Ochina asem we beba bedi.
Selom yawo.
Amana ni pa yakra.
Na ba kona de say gra.
Akugiri. Onu nyina di wo mam ne nyesa o ye panyin nyesa ne sere ne pi. Na seja Referees Association of Ghana for no kwaku sama mama ni amra referees no de course Ghana ebegu mo ebegu referee ne begu abebu yeso so nim nipa kro koka sa me sere ne papa ne chewo e chere me sa be pa ne chewo no pa on senator no sa nipa no nye nipa papa
nipa no koka
of course Centronia of referee wafufo no ka chere mo say Ghana referees no enya ade na mo nya FIFA no unye nipa papa. You are a very bad person. I cannot how deal with this issue. No problem. But sa okoko tito chire wafufo na. Unye nipa papa.
Bishop. Olope I didn't ope wafu ye lo okoka no ka chiri ti ono nye mo.
Me da CP.
So why no wo say ya di nenye. Na okoka.
Me okoka. Ye nsi antuma go fin. Emfa nkwa abonten. Nse ma me bi ba ye bone wa abonten Michael. On twina ni wa abonten o.
Obeko bi ono so nim de wo.
Listen to this carefully. Wo free say muntie ni ye pa o. Mo wo te Ghana ha. Wo abeku di abia okay, ma me family. Me atapoku. Me te Ghana. Me ko kire wa fufu nyansa say ye referees ni nye FIFA. Na omo to nsa fra omo so omo mra no. Omo nim so omo nye FIFA. So, Oko kache wafu say Salom ya bless any akugri omunye FIFA referees ade na wahe. They know already. They know omunye FIFA referee bia.
And you na be.
And you na be kache omo say we munye FIFA.
On other countries, omo the FIFA referees na.
Omo misa say aside omo mienu no, why and the FIFA and on FIFA referee ba ho. Omo kan chen. I mean, let's be honest.
Yo.
Yes.
Eduwe ma yan kwa na ye de
FIFA referees. On kanokre. Say or referees manager. Omonche referee odi wafu ni bia. Onye non FIFA referee. Now let me be truthful to all of you and you are here for native for. Most of these things we get from the FA. Because you are Tifu boys. And you are referees manager called the boys. You good referee no Ghana has
Sompa Sports.
Look,
we this shella we if
mo say had there no. So ni Latif die.
Minimum pa.
Last time we did international match was Wafu 2019.
Yes.
Latif Adai match ben na din Ghana. Ya yem fa ni nkojinem. Look, and some more Kafa referees manager no. George Seja, Referees Association of Ghana, and in Penyufo Akano. Mumfa munansi form. We have genuine problems with refereeing in this country. Someone so no acha mfimi ebe say.
Dabetum.
We nye keto kraku. And we nye GFA General Secretary. Don't trivialize the ekano. Non-FIFA referee, omaya omoba wafu ni bia. Oman fa FIFA referee ambano. Omo mo di insurance. Omo yi Ghana free ma. Ye pese ye hu. Ye pese ye hu. We enya ade bia ye den kra. Ye pese ye hu. Ene ye 1 2. Nipa krona o yes adum. O ye mambo ye ni ye mbo ni din. Oh, maza. Ye mbo ni din.
Eh, obi ya ade enye no no na kwa.
Name when your friend name and shame.
So we are there.
If you say omo kasa throw we bi da. Edit to girl bi so. Efiri ho na me fa me hu omo na me dwom tutu. Omo kai Aisha too. Na no happy no.
Yeah.
We try to no so say Ghana black ladies ne ye HT no. Omo say Central 4 and a quartet to watch Morocco. This is not the first time the FA is doing this.
Bibia no mo dey aso.
And Central 4 and a quartet to Aisha also be Moroccan High Commissioner no. Ambassador no pa Emmanuel Wadil. Na man for kaka. Even members within the FA said same about that girl.
Banana.
I can deny it, and never didn't come out. She's denied it again. Yes, her life, and yeah, you have problems.
As I was at the last,
you have problems. We have to resolve it. So be the no. Referees manager Tiwi or say well, Burkina Moba, the non-FIFA referee nearby. When say we Omoba, the non-FIFA referee nearby. Greece. Not being referees in the part during the Wafu under 20 man walk room.
Okay.
So I got the opportunity to get closer to these referees. Omunche a referee oba sa Wafu experimental tournament no. Bi Okumasi ano nye FIFA. Ya mana bro so do. Ya nya de sa panyi. Ya nya de sa. So china so de list ni baba.
List be.
Oh, of course china e be rempa.
Ukoji bibia list there.
Oh, bia de baba. Obia de baba, because you can't do this. Nani mamboye ni no. There's a unique opportunity.
Sa asem no come.
Mashada.
Mamboye ni ze.
Mesrel. Nipa na o te wa onpe.
Wo hu za de na mo ye ne nye. E no no akwa kan ne.
Me say, sa nipa na odi sa bone no. Yembo didin name and shame. Alex Cote una ate ono. Me say, you've sent a message to a referee threatening him. Sa denti and all leaky messages about media and the social media. I have it. Be bold. I'm a bolding. Bomidin. Me say my jama me. We got them ma we bia. Bomi go and mention my name. Bomidin. Say Atapoku. I want you to mention the name. You be say I was here chiri ebeka. E chebe in the chair. Look, omu kun referees no. The referees no omu suro. Omu timi ma bonte meka.
Te say they okay. Na ye hwe ni hu other countries no omo de omo ko e FIFA referees a. No bi wo Ghana a FIFA referee. Na we afana nkwa otowa de no bedwen ba ku kra nka wanze mu wie na we so ase ababebu omo hwe na omo nyom ne ma yi pa no freaking no nye bon.
Good, thank you very much. Fantastic.
Sompa Sports.
BBSC.
Fantastic. Referees no more. FIFA phone. Omutu kwanya ya omu share FIFA referees.
Omutu kwanya. Omu share FIFA referees. Say
like Michael, do you get what I'm trying to say?
Menti de all can say.
They call elite referee courses. CAF organize them.
Yes.
The FIFA people, they will meet their colleague FIFA.
Yes.
They make another say. Oh yeah, well, elite courses instructors the FIFA referees.
And no crown on baby.
Elite courses meba ye de omako Cairo bi. Somewhere kaya Dolag Banumu. Papala more time near Latif Kader, Adari, Kwesi Brobe. Oh yeah, the omako Egypt.
So amuko shiomo yo. Amu shiomo.
So you think they won't ask Charles Bulu Lai Muno? They won't. Amona muvoni bisa na mubiamba. Look, you are downplaying this.
Sompa Sports.
Maybe you are no so cry no say ebi o no mo kofo say international matches na. Ebi bi abaze bi Ghana no ye kwa say Danelaya on assistant referee ba Ghana na be ko. But other ones no so ye FIFA referee so mufi. To omo no wo that way no dey omo no be.
My brother, we are far gone bad. The RM missed a unique opportunity to nail journalism in Ghana. Oh yeah. Confund be giants and Trojuma say omo ya whistleblowers. To almost whistle petition 9 years, you know. There was almost the Baha. Another. And what we say, I'm to do. I would have it. And where I cried to do. And where I don't do. And central for the petition, and central for waffle, and central for the Unquana more pay.
This is not so trivial.
Abba.
This you know part of the end.
And maybe I make sure you know. Type C. We have a
then I realize the petition about la or teta wheels or teta dollar. I'm going to be class before I said anyway they say
we are some
and do now movie we are quiet only crowd. I was only do with the church.
I like to do that car. Okoji Yampo.
I like
this car. Oh, Okoji this car. Okoji this car. Football Republic body this car.
Okoji this car. But I have to hear you.
Okoji this car. Okoji this car. Crash.
I like your mom first.
Waji. Ochina babe to
Ochavisiala. Yedi komola but believe the only area was sra. deɛ yɛremo pɛ wiɛkɔ yɛabɔkyerɛ yɛbɛba no de akibia ato asɛre ama mo yɛda mo nyinaa ase
Odi eniji eni kwanshe abrabo mu afutu nyamsum woni daso edi eniji abro ni panyina Sompa ba ebe sumima Sompa efe 93.1 Sompa ba ebe sumima 93.1 na ya woni pama o na wonu arada ifisa gudie mu nsemo ubenya abrabo mu nsemo ubenya nyamsum mu nsem ubenya anijie mu nsem ubenya enyumpa na kakoma ubenya yamai mu amanyosem ubenya osumpa